Tucson, Arizona, USA, July 18, 2023. Tucson saw its first big storm of the 2023 monsoon Monday afternoon. The monsoon rain finally officially arrived in Tucson as the city's official Gulf for weather records at the airport had lodged 29-inch Monday as of 5 p.m., with rainstorms still coming down around the metro area. Tucson and all across the metro area were reporting heavy rain on social media posts in late afternoon, July 17.
Oh my God!
That's intense. Holy crap.
In addition to pouring rain in various parts of the metro area, the National Weather Service heard reports of strong wind, hail, some damage here and there, and some power outages, said meteorologist Julia Tretraut. In a video captured in Arizona area, a storm can be seen developing over the Tucson area during the afternoon hours of July 17. While the monsoon season began in mid-June, the state has yet to see the stormy weather that is typical during an average monsoon season. The rain also brought with it a considerable cooling off of Flagstaff, where temperatures reached into the mid-90s over the weekend, breaking multiple records. As the storm passed through, the temperature dropped to 82 degrees, nearly a 10-degree difference from today's high in the city. This marks Flagstaff's first rain of the monsoon season, which officially starts July 15, though it is not uncommon for the Flagstaff area to start seeing storms around Independence Day, Stubblefield said.
Oh shit! Alright, here goes nothing.
The Tucson Electric Power is reporting more than 12,000 people who are affected. Over 10,000 people are without power on Tucson's east side and in the foothills, according to Tucson Electric Power, after a powerful storm rolled through Tucson late Monday afternoon. The outages run from Fort Lowell and Swan North past East Skyline Drive in the foothills. They are concentrated between Culp and Camino Seco, 22nd to the south and Speedway to the north of Tucson's east side. Smaller outages have been reported east of Pantano and south of Gold Links and at Speedways and Cray Cove.